Maddie from Mary's Milk Monsters, and today we'll be making some overnight oats, which is a pretty simple recipe. It's only a cup of oats to a cup of milk, and you leave it in the fridge or wherever overnight, and the next morning it's just done. So let's go through evening milking and see how much milk we can get and how much breakfast we can make. Don't jump in here, please.
Y'all are acting like pets that want attention.
Wonky! Wonky! Where, Wonky?
Monkey,
Wonky! Petting these babies and not you. Don't you want to come over here?
it's milking time.
Come on.
Monkey,
Wonky! 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 Wonky? Yeah? You gonna help?
not hardly.
No, what's that noise?
Oh my God, it's coming at me.
Don't smell it. See, look, it's not gonna hurt you. See? It's fine.
Don't take any chances. Okay, trick shot.
Aim at the edge of the jar.
Maybe start closer.
Yeah.
No,
I think
that's
so.
pretty good.
I think so, because I'm wasting it.
You're wasting it.
See what's happening?
That's good.
Here. For you and one for me.
You don't want anything? Don't make yours milky. You look sleepy. Are you sleepy? A little bit? Looks like you've been working. You've been working so good. Look at you. Look at how much milk. You made lovely, beautiful milks. Yeah. Done now?
It's full. It just looks full because it's frothy.
So that's about 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of oats gonna be. Is it done? Wonky.
5 and a little extra.
Alright.
No.
That's pretty good. Breakfast for 5. As you go. Yeah, I know. You've been milking for like 16 months straight. So that's pretty good. And it's fall.
So there will be lots of butterfat because it's fall.
Yeah.
The milk will be nice and rich.
Richer milk, less volume. Which is okay. You're so done? You're done now?
You want to go that way?
No. Dally.
You can go that way.
Dally.
Here's your flavor for the water. That way.
It's milking
That
time.
way.
Hugs first.
Okay, fine. One hug.
Hugs first, and then like
Okay. You can go that way.
more hugs.
You can go that way.
More hugs.
There we go.
Grr. Now we want grain. We just had to make room. All right.
Wait, Summer, baby. Jasper, you're doing it wrong.
Jasper. Seriously?
Why don't you do it like the ladies over there?
Not a lady. All right. Dally. my jelly. Okay. Okay, Jelly. You're gonna cover up for everybody else?
Probably.
Smell it. Smells like wonky? Ugh.
Yeah.
Okay, we got some from Wonky. Let's see what we get from Jelly.
Jasper, put your feet off the counter.
No standing on the counter. It's jelly time. Wow. Everyone tired today.
Well, it's almost time for bed.
Sort it.
Thinking.
Thinking goat thoughts? I don't think I want to know what those are.
Probably like, what did I eat earlier? I forgot.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
It's starting to get a fuzzy tummy. Are you expecting a cold winter? Winter's always cold, don't be dumb. Yeah.
Exasperated winter.
Yeah, I know. Dumb people questions. Whoa!
Not too hard.
Alright. Let's see. What can we make with that? What do you think, Jelly? Put those over. Well, so we're going to start with oatmeal. What do you think, Jelly? Now we're talking?
Wait a minute, there's food. Yeah, stop and try not to spill it everywhere. Oatmeal.
And a cup for Jelly.
You get that once I'm done filling.
One for the recipe, one for Jelly. One for the recipe, one for Jelly.
Just only a little, so not much in that one. And then a little bit for Jelly.
Because, yeah.
It is Jelly.
It is Jelly, and you worked so hard.
You don't get any Jasper, your boy.
You don't need it. You got enough. What are you eating? Oh my god.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. So, overnight oatmeal has some toppings. What do you think, Jelly?
So Nanny, how do I pick?
Brown sugar. You gotta start with that.
Oh yeah.
Get a spoon. Did we get the spoon?
Oh yeah, there they are. They're totally organized.
One big spoon. One for Jelly. No spoon. Okay, that spoon's toast. Okay, what else do we think? Ooh, blackberries. Can't go wrong with blackberries. You know it. That cup's not goat-sized.
We need a better cup. Yeah.
You got it
Now
anyway.
let's reach it. Yeah, there we go.
Let's see, what else we got? Banana?
Oh, yeah, we have banana.
Like banana? A lot of banana. Little oatmeal. Wait.
Want some banana?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Since
better.
you can't reach in the jar.
Yeah, that's better. Why is there not more of that?
Alright.
Let's see. Pecans. Oh yeah, maple pecans. That's always good. Maple syrup and ground pecans. Or just pecans is good too.
Yeah, you like that? That's some maple on it.
Sugar. Let's see. What else we got over there? Ooh,
There's
pumpkin.
strawberries. Oh yeah, pumpkin, 'cause it's fall.
There's pumpkin spice.
Oh yeah. Don't worry, you'll get some.
Oh, pumpkin. Oh yeah, that's good. Now you got orange lips.
There's lipstick.
Don't mock you. You work here.
Right.
So we got one more.
We have two more.
Strawberries.
Oh yeah. There you go. Good strawberries. I know you can't reach any of these. There you go.
Service in this restaurant.
That's
Jelly
true.
Belly. Yeah. Yum yum yums.
Still some on my hand, thank you.
Ah.
Did those?
Mangoes.
Oh yeah, mangoes.
Gotta do the mangoes.
Oh no, wait, it's the last one.
Last
Should it
one.
be chocolate?
No mangoes.
You sure?
No.
Cherries?
No.
Cranberries?
Mangoes. Waiting for mangoes. That's pretty good. Okay. And this little one, well,
How about one chunk of chocolate with it?
oh, chalky.
You want some chocolate?
Yeah. That tastes weird. Crunchy. And everyone likes Ibarra. Okay.
Right.
That looks pretty good. We have some toppings left over. Yum.
Yum. Really still crunchy. Yeah, like that. I know, that chocolate's good. I know.
Why is there not more of that?
I'm gonna put this in the fridge overnight. I know, where are they going?
You gonna jump over the gate and get into the fridge?
I don't know, but Jasper might. He's already halfway.
This is why am I not in this? All right. Well, there's a mess.
Those will be ready next morning.
Applesauce.
You want some apples?
Maybe. What do you think, Summer? You want some? You can't believe this whole scene, Jasper. Glurp.
Yeah, you like apples. Just
Yeah.
as apples. You eat the cores too.
Apple core, Baltimore. Who's your friend? Yikes.
My friend lives the dog.
Jelly.
Let's see.
All right. Okay. So there it is. doing an
then we'll do
outro.
breakfast the next morning. Yeah. Alright. I know you liked it, Jelly. But if you guys like it, make sure you leave a thumbs up down below, or comments, or if you got any ideas for me, then just be sure to tell me below. And then I'll let the jelly out and see you guys in the next video.